Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys oppo phone display and brightness setting. And today friends I will tell you guys your eye comfort mode how to enable in any oppo phone device. Friends, you want to enable guys your phone eye comfort mode setting. So how can you enable and how can you use your phone eye comfort mode setting? Today friends I will tell you in this video. So open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting I will click on guys the search here guys, brightness setting, and guys you can write here get display also. We will write here get display. So once you can see your display and brightness guy, we will tap on display and brightness. Then guys scroll it. Once you can see your eye comfort mode guy, we will tap here. Once you want to enable, so you can enable from this right side icon. Okay, first of all guys, you can see the schedule time. Once you can set guys this schedule time start and end. So we will off it and we will click on this right side icon, tap here to enable. After enable guys, your screen color will change. Screen color temperature guys, you can adjust according to yourself, home and warm color. And friends, you can see guys your display effect guys, you want to change into black and white, so you can change from here. Friends, your eye comfort mode will enable, and friends you can see we can use our phone eye comfort mode setting. So we should enable guys at night guys, when we operate phone at night. So we should enable guys our eye comfort mode setting, then we can operate our phone easily. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.